Oh, that's a lot! Jetta, keep going, good. Oh my God, your bowl. Ah, wait, pause. Pause, Vitaly. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brandy, this is Pocket Watch. We got Jetta, we got Vitaly, and this is Challenge Battle Royale. This is game 1. We're gonna be bobbing for meatballs. For the first round, they're gonna have 30 seconds to bob for spaghetti noodles. They're gonna put it on their plate. Second round, they're gonna bob for meatballs. They're gonna put it on their plate. Third round, they're gonna bob for cheese. The person with the biggest plate wins, and the loser gets their plate dumped on them. Mamma mia.
This sounds impossible.
Hands behind your backs, okay? We're gonna start the timer for 30 seconds, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, it's awful. Oh, it's the worst thing I've ever created. Oh.
Hey, I just got this shirt. I'm in the soak zone.
Nauseous.
Oh.
This tastes like marinara.
Okay, it looks like, I need to get a good, oh, it looks like Vitaly's.
There's so much marinara everywhere.
I feel so sick right now.
It looks like Vitaly's winning. He has a nice, like, spitting, that's the timer. Okay, I'm so sorry to say, Jetta, but it looks like Vitaly won this round.
I win!
Not yet. This round, he won.
Not yet!
But we're gonna go on to round 2. This time we're gonna be bobbing for meatballs. Do better. Just, if you did fine, just do way better than what you just did. Okay, 30 seconds on the clock. Is it ready? Ready? Yeah.
Okay.
Hands behind your back. I'm watching. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I need to get out of the way. Okay, good. Pretty good. Get your face in there, guys.
Oh, it's in.
Oh, it's in. Okay. I see tongue. Good. Let's see. Oh, that's a lot! Jetta, keep going. Good. Oh my God, your bowl. Wait. Pause. Vitaly, pause. Vitaly, stop. Vitaly, pause.
Oh no, you made a mess.
Yeah, big man.
Oh no, you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wait, 8. 8.
Ooh.
Ew, I'm touching Vitaly's.
Don't count it. Don't
Okay.
look. Don't cheat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! Jetta won the second round! Thank you! Okay, we have come to the final round, and it's gonna be cheese. You got some cheese in the bowl. 30 seconds on the clock. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Hands behind your back, get prepared. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. This is a sight to see, people. Oh, wow. Okay, Jetta, how are things?
I don't know.
Pretty good. Good. Wow, Vitaly's really...
It's in my eyes!
It's in my nose.
Oh, man!
I love having my friends do things like this. It's so fun to watch. Oh my gosh!
It burns! It's burning my eyes!
Eyeballs.
Yeah, it's burnt!
Smells like marinara sauce.
I'm gonna make a marinara fountain again.
No! Vitaly! So many liquids happening. Vitaly! So many liquids happening. That's so gross.
I hate every... Well, let's count the cheese now, why don't we? 1,
Okay.
2... I got way more cheese than you.
Let's...
Okay, do you have spaghetti madness or something?
I think we already can tell Vitaly has the biggest plate.
You know what? I'm pretty sure I made myself more dirty than Jetta's gonna get when she gets dumped on with the spaghetti.
Okay, game 1 goes to Vitaly.
Yeah!
He's the champion. Look at him go.
Here we
Let's sing the pageant song. She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss
That made me even more
United
messy.
States. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Comment down below anything else you want to see. I'm Brandy. This is Jetta. This is Vitaly. We'll see you next time.
Bye!